Alright guys, so I'm at Live Aqua Cancun, room 2021. It is an Oceanfront King. So you have a great view as soon as you walk in. Bathrooms to the right. Comes with robes. Double sinks. You can close the blinds. Molten brown products. Toilets right in here. And shower. Nice and spacey. Okay, a little rubber ducky. And then there's shampoo, conditioner, body wash, soap, and a scrub. Closet. There is a beach bag to use, not to take home. The sandals you can take home. An espresso machine, some snacks, safe, mini bar, king size bed. What's really cool about this is there are curtains, and you hit the button and the curtains close automatically. Same with if you have them closed and you open the door, the curtains will open automatically, which I think is really cool. Little seating area, table, and the view. Who can beat the view? So again, this is an oceanfront room. And they are doing their famous rice art down there. And that is the Oceanfront King Room at Live Aqua. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or send me an email, memoriesandmojitos@gmail.com.